This gentle Tai Chi flow helps support belly fat loss, balance, and healthy full body movement. Just follow along with me step by step. There's no need to rush. Let's get started. Start exercise 1. Open the arms comfortably to the sides and lower gently through the knees as the hands move inward toward the chest. Rise back up smoothly and feel the legs engage while improving circulation, balance, and lower body control with each steady repetition. Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep the body relaxed and slowly reach the arms overhead as the spine lengthens upward. Return with calm control and allow the movement to open the chest, improve posture, and encourage deeper, more comfortable breathing. Next exercise. Shift smoothly from side to side as the arms travel across the body with controlled movement. Sink gently into the legs and feel the hips loosen naturally while improving coordination, balance, and full body stability. Exercise 4. Let the upper body bend softly from one side to the other as one arm reaches overhead and the opposite arm lowers behind the body. Move slowly and feel a gentle stretch through the waist and shoulders to improve flexibility and mobility. Exercise 5. Transfer the weight lightly from one leg to the other while one hand rises near the shoulder. Keep the shoulders soft and stay steady through the movement to improve coordination, body awareness, and shoulder mobility. Exercise 6. Cross one foot smoothly in front of the body as the arms sweep forward in a relaxed motion. Return with control and feel the hips and legs working together to improve balance, coordination, and lower body stability. Exercise 7. Reach one arm upward while the opposite side lowers toward the foot in a smooth diagonal stretch. Keep the movement controlled and enjoy the gentle opening through the waist, shoulders, and side body as flexibility improves. Exercise 8. Lower slowly into a comfortable wide squat while the hands press gently downward near the thighs. Rise back up with control and feel the legs and hips activate to support balance, strength, and smoother movement through the lower body. Exercise 9. Guide the arms diagonally across the body with a soft side lean and relaxed shoulders. Return slowly to center and feel the upper body loosen naturally while improving coordination, flexibility, and shoulder mobility. Exercise 10. Draw the hands slightly inward toward the chest, then press forward smoothly with steady control. Keep the movement calm and relaxed to improve posture, upper body coordination, and breathing rhythm through each repetition. Exercise 11. Shift the body weight gently from side to side as one fist reaches upward beside the head. Move with a steady rhythm and feel the shoulders and upper body become more active while improving balance and coordination. Next exercise. Slowly lift both arms overhead as one leg extends softly behind the body. Return with smooth control and stay tall through the spine to improve posture, balance, coordination, and lower body stability. Exercise 13. Bring the hands together near the lower body and slowly lift them upward through the center line into a smooth overhead reach. Let the movement flow naturally to improve shoulder mobility, breathing control, and full body coordination. Next exercise. Step softly into a gentle lunge as the arms open comfortably to the sides. Push back smoothly to the starting position and feel the hips, legs, and upper body working together to improve flexibility and balance. Next exercise. Rotate slowly through the waist as the arms sweep down and around in a circular motion. Keep the shoulders relaxed and allow the movement to improve coordination, shoulder mobility, and full body fluidity with each controlled turn. Great job today. You took time to move your body, improve your balance, and care for your health. And every small session like this truly adds up over time. The more consistently you practice, the lighter, stronger, and more comfortable your body can begin to feel in daily life. Don't worry about perfection. Just keep showing up and moving at your own pace. If this Tai Chi session helped you feel more relaxed or energized, I'd love to hear your experience in the comments. Your feedback also helps us create better sessions that fit your needs. Subscribe and come back for your next gentle practice, and let's continue building a calm, healthy, and supportive wellness community together.